Here are 3 iPhone features that Apple doesn't really explain, but once you know them, they'll save you time every single day. Hi, I'm Karen from TekkyTutor, and I make simple tech videos for regular iPhone users. Today, I'm sharing 3 iPhone secrets that are easy to use and actually helpful. No techie stuff, I promise. So let's get started. Do you know you can tap the back of your phone? You can set up something called back tap, which will open up features like your flashlight, a quick note, an alarm. Once it's set, just tap the back of your phone 2 or 3 times and it will automatically work. It feels like magic the first time you use it. Let me show you how. Open up Settings, go down to Accessibility, go down to Touch, and then scroll down for Back Tap. Make sure it's on, and then choose a selection for double tap. I've chosen flashlight, but there are lots of different options. Triple tap, I've also chosen something. I've chosen the quick note feature to open a quick note. Once it's set up, you can just go back, and to access it, you just have to tap vigorously with your finger, tap it twice, and double tap will turn on my flashlight right here. Tap it, press that to turn it off. Tap it 3 times for a quick note. Triple tap detected, and now I have a quick note. Secret number 2, move the cursor without that annoying magnifying glass. Have you ever wanted to insert a word or fix a typo and had a really hard time getting the cursor where you want it? Here's a quick trick. If you tap on the text anywhere and then tap on the spacebar, instead of having a keyboard, you now have a trackpad, and you can move the cursor anywhere you want it to make whatever change you need. Like that. Secret number 3, selecting text very fast with 2 fingers. Here I am in the note with the text that I pasted in. I'm going to tap and hold a word, and you'll see that handles appear. Now, normally you would find a handle and drag it, but here's a much better way. Using 2 fingers, you can drag the handle while the first finger holds it down so it's active. If you use 1 finger to hold and the second finger to stretch it out, you can easily expand the selection to a much larger amount than you would if you just used 1 finger. You can do whole sentences, paragraphs, even the whole page, and it's a lot easier. Once you get used to it, it feels natural, but you do need to practice. I'm going to show you the same thing. You'll see the 2 handles. I use my second finger to drag and select the whole thing. Those are 3 iPhone features that actually save you time. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you'll always know when new videos come out. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you found most helpful.